Hello, Chef here. I got some wonderful ground beef. This is 90% lean and I'm making a bolognese sauce with the pasta. I thought I would share this with you. Very quickly, sharp knife is essential. If you don't have one, think you know where to get it. And the sharpener's the best. All right, here we go. Carrots. Cut off the tops, cut off the bottoms. Very quickly. Give them a peeling. All right, use a good quality peeler and you can go fast like this, okay? You're not gonna see this on TV, people. Here we go. Okay, now I'm gonna move along a little faster for you. Good quality peeler. You can do that really quick. You see that? Clean, ready to go. All right, so it depends what kind of bolognese you're making, but you can cut this, you can dice this, you can go as fancy as you want to. I just want to release the flavor here because this is going to get pureed later. Okay, while I'm cooking, I like to snack. I'm going to eat on this carrot right here. All right, so for my bolognese sauce, just a real quick chop like this is good. Okay. Onion. Remove the top and the bottom. Give it a quick peel. You know, onions can be tricky. You just want to remove that outside skin. Okay. And then just a real quick medium dice is going to be fine with this onion here. There we go. Okay. Now, there's many thoughts on this bolognese, but I want to tell you, the thing you want to do first is you're going to want to heat up a pan. You're going to want to brown your onions and your meat together. Right here, I've got a hot saucepan. Touch of extra virgin olive oil, just a splash. Essential ingredients. I've got a tablespoon of garlic there. Okay, already minced up there, just fast and easy. I've got about a teaspoon of New Mexico powder. Oh, let's just add a little spice. Yeah. I've got some shallots, as well as some rosemary. Yeah. I'm also going to be adding a bay leaf. We use a lot of bay leaves here in the kitchen. If you need any of these spices, I think you know where to get them. Oregano. Just a little bit, maybe a teaspoon. Yeah. Chef's secret herb. You got to guess at that one. Alright, so now we're going to let this cook for a little bit. Of course, you need some salt. I'll put a teaspoon of salt. Okay, once the meat starts to brown, this is the point I like to add my carrots. And if you like celery, celery's optional, of course. Okay, that's looking really good. At this point, you can decide if you need to drain your ground beef. It just depends on how lean your ground beef is. There's very little fat in mine, so I'm probably not going to drain it. Okay, ready for the tomatoes. Yeah. The ratio, 2 pounds of ground beef, 1 pound canned tomatoes. Okay, a little while later here, I'm stirring this up. It's looking good. Some of you more experienced cooks are gonna know that you want to remove the bay leaf. Nobody wants to choke on that thing. And you're also wondering why I left the big carrots, right? Well, that's real easy to answer. And that is, I'm using my immersion blender. Oh, this baby's got a titanium blade and it spins at about 10,000 RPM, so it's tough. It's the best one you can buy right there. Okay, it's time here. We got the tasting spoon. Do a little tasting and maybe adjust these seasonings. Looking really good. Oh, wow. That's what I'm talking about. A little more sea salt. Touch of ground pepper. That is gonna be good. In another pot, we got some hard olives and we're adding a little bit of Italian rotini. I like a rotini. Rotini takes about 7 minutes to get al dente, and it's gonna be good. Ah, perfect al dente pasta. You must taste the pasta. There's no other way. Okay. We strain the pasta in a pasta straining basket like this. Okay, now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to plate up. On this particular dish today, I'm going to put my sauce first, and I'm going to put the sauce down just like this. A nice portion. Yeah, look at that. Okay, spread it around a little bit like so. I'm going to put my pasta on top of this. Just a little bit like so. Not too much, huh? Okay, the pasta goes on like this. And then I'm going to put my olives around the perimeter like this. Okay, and then I'm going to add my garnish. Okay, for garnish, what do we got here? Oh, a lot of things. A lot of things, let me tell you. Number one, we're going to go with the super aged balsamic vinegar. Yeah, just a little bit like this. Oh, number two, we're going to go with a touch of truffle oil, just like this. Oh, number three, dried parsley, just like this. Number four, Parmigiano Reggiano. You must have the Parmigiano. Goes over the top like this. Yeah, and that's my finished pasta. I hope you enjoyed the presentation. Keep cooking, eat healthy, live, love, and prosper. Subscribe, like, and share, and you'll be doing all the right things in life. Thank you for watching, and have a great day. Keep cooking. Yeah. That's gonna be good. Mmm.